Zendesk Sell is a sales CRM designed to enhance productivity, processes, and pipeline visibility for sales teams. Here's a concise guide on how to use it. Sign up. Create an account on the Zendesk website. Initial configuration. Log into Zendesk Sell and go through the setup wizard to configure basic settings like company details, user roles, and permissions. Data import. Import your existing customer data from spreadsheets or other CRMs into Zendesk Sell. Navigate to Settings, Data, Import, and follow the prompts to upload your data. Data mapping. Ensure that fields from your data source match the fields in Zendesk Sell for seamless import. Add leads. Create new leads manually or through lead capture forms. Go to the Leads tab and click Add Lead. Contact organization. Organize leads and contacts by categorizing them into lists or segments for targeted management. Pipeline stages. Define your sales pipeline stages under Settings, Pipelines. Customize the stages to match your sales process. Deal management. Move deals through the pipeline stages by dragging and dropping them, ensuring you always know the status of each deal. Create tasks and reminders. Set tasks and reminders to follow up on leads, contact clients, and complete sales activities. Automated actions. Use automation tools to streamline repetitive tasks like email follow-ups and data entry. Reports and analytics. Access detailed reports to monitor sales performance, pipeline health, and team activity. Navigate to the Reports tab to explore available analytics. Customize dashboards. Customize your dashboards to focus on key metrics and track progress towards your sales goals.